There you go.
What is it?
Northern. That was a cool hit. Oh, fuck, I hit this tree. Jesus, what a psychopath.
You eat these.
That was a fun hit.
Holy moly, dude! You're feisty!
You feisty boy.
Holy! He's beautiful!
Definitely beautiful. That's what we're talking about, right, Dylan?
Yeah. We caught something and he's big!
Of course, he goes in the sand. Get him out of the sand's bad for them.
I know.
Calm the F word down, bud.
Be careful with him.
Just feel I'm getting... How bad did you grab this, buddy? I might need my pliers for the way that he did it. Got it. Oh, jeez, buddy. He's a good boy. Alright, let's get a nice release on him. What a psycho. What a fun catch, too.
Pretty little psycho.
Oh, yeah, he gonna go quick.
Ooh.
Oh, he splashed all over me.